scheme is a scheme that Ghana is rolling out together with partners from the USAID and partners from Ghana Standards Authority, Food and Drugs Authority, and the Fisheries Commission. These three institutions have the mandate to ensure that Ghanaians eat safe and quality food. And this has been on their mandate for so long. And now, for the past 5 years, we took an initiative to try to implement our mandate. So from 2017, we've been working at it. We started with a class 1 certification scheme, so that the idea is that fish that goes from here to outside is of good quality because the EU checks. So they check it in Ghana and then it goes. So fish going out, being exported is of high quality and there's no infestation or contamination. But the ones that we eat in our own markets is not so good. You find fish on the floor, you find fish with parasites and diseases, and fish being handled anyhow. So this brought us to come together. It is this problem, the post-harvest management of fish, which is not adequate to international standards or to best practices, brought these institutions together. And luckily, we've gotten USA to support us with the logistics. And we've had so many meetings. We set up a multi-stakeholder committee made up of all these partners, academia, CSR, and all, so that with the fishers themselves, the fish processors, and everybody, so that we can design something, a training program, and also eventually come out with something that will ensure the quality of fish. So what we launched the other time is the Safe Fish and Licensing Scheme, Safe Fish Certification and Licensing Scheme. So far, we have trained about 55 fish processors. Wow. We have helped them to set up the handling and the processing of fish, their kitchens, and then their ovens, so that they are all of good quality, so that you can get healthy fish out of it. So the idea of the Safe Fish Certificate and License Scheme is to help produce good quality fish. It's also to help to get the fish processors themselves to process fish in a good environment where smoke and other respiratory diseases will not get to them. They will get increase in income and will get quality protein to eat. So these are the reasons why we came out with the fish certification and licensing scheme. So the Fisheries Commission will do the sensitization and the registration of the processors. Ghana Standards Authority ensure that the fish that is exported is of good quality, and the FDA is mandated to do the licensing. And we are going to license every fish processor. And the idea is that they will have labels, they will have numbers, so that you can even tell when the fish was caught, when the fish was processed, when the fish, whatever was handled, and how it was handled. All these things will be done. And we are going to work with the district assemblies. In fact, we are already collaborating with them so that they will give us places in the markets where we will have these certified processed fish located so that we can go there to buy good quality fish to eat. Fish that when you eat, you will not get disease. Fish that when you eat will not give you trouble, but rather will give you good health, protein, and strength.